Hey guys, what's up? It's Isaiah from Crazy Kids, and I'm back here with Jacob from Jacob Awesome. Check out his channel. And we're taking apart my Segway to see what's wrong with it, because it will not turn on. You getting it?
Yeah, it'll be a little while.
Alright, so, let's see what is inside. So, we're kind of confused since he's been taking it apart. Some of them are bolts and some of them are screws.
Let me show you the difference.
So it's confusing.
Look.
Like half and half.
It's over there. That's a screw. You can see the point on it. And then there's a bolt right here. And they just came from the same board.
Yeah,
I'm not
it's
sure
weird.
why.
How much more do you have left? For one side.
I think
He has
it's
two left for that side. And
unless if it's just one. Yep, just one more. Oh, look, another screw. Watch this one be a bolt.
Yeah. And let's see it. And it's out. Come on.
Ready?
Okay, so it's finally out. So, take it apart.
Let's see. How do you come off now? Got all the bolts and screws out, and it doesn't want to come up.
Okay.
Is something else attached?
So while he's trying to figure that out, I'll come back when he does. Okay, he finally got it open, but he needed a flathead screwdriver to pull it off. Dang.
That's a lot of wires.
Dang.
Oh, there's no easy way to connect this to get the lid off.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just have to work with the lid on, I guess. If we untwist these wires then.
I want to ride it.
It doesn't work, remember? So you can't ride it.
Oh, I forgot that.
Oh, I'm trying to fix it, remember?
Yeah, I forgot. I thought we were just looking at it.
I think the battery's... No, the battery's on the side, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I think this is the battery. Alright, let's just open this side now. And then we'll get to it to see if we can fix it.
So now we have my dad here trying to help us fix it. Like Jacob said, this is the broken one. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, but I don't know where it is. And I don't care. So, I'm gonna open the lights. I really hope we fix it, bro.
If not, let Daddy fix it, okay?
Oh, God. It's so much lighter.
More light.
You putting it back together?
No, that's
So,
right.
oh.
Just trying to get all the screws and bolts out.
Wait, where's the on button?
There it is. Right over there.
Oh. It's not.
Alright, that's not that yet.
Alright, so while he finishes getting it apart, we'll come back.
Ready?
Okay, that one was easy to get apart.
This one's gonna look a lot different. You see?
Oh my
Here's
God.
the real battery. That's the battery, the lithium-ion battery.
Dad, come here.
So this might be where it's disconnected.
Oh. This might be where it's disconnected. Let's hope.
Or it might be somewhere in there. Let's take it off.
We'll come back when we find out.
You see, it is all metal, and it's just
Okay, so he can't find it. But this is why it's so heavy.
There's metal right there.
Yeah.
It's actually, these things are pretty dang tough. There's a whole entire metal shell everywhere except for the bottoms. That's the only place where there's no metal.
Dang.
So these are pretty tough.
So
Don't underestimate these.
I guess that's gonna be it for opening this thing up and trying to fix it. And this is Isaiah from Crazy Kids. Here with Jacob from Jacob Awesome. and we will see you next time.